Hello there and welcome to the heart. So here in this particular lesson, you're going to study the structure and functions of the heart. And secondly, ways of solving problems with this blood supply to the heart and problems with valves. So your heart is the organ that pumps blood around your body. It is made up of two pumps for the double circulation that beat together about 70 times every single minute. The walls of your heart are almost entirely muscle. This muscle is supplied with oxygen by the coronary arteries. So the structure of the human heart is perfectly adapted for pumping blood to your lungs and your body. The two sides of the heart fill and empty at the same time, giving a strong, coordinated heartbeat. So blood enters the top chambers of your heart, which are called the arteria. The blood coming into the right atrium from the vena cava is deoxygenated blood from your body. The blood coming into the left atrium in the pulmonary vein is oxygenated blood from your lungs. So deoxygenated blood means blood that has no oxygen, and oxygenated blood means blood that has oxygen. So the atria contract together and force blood down into the ventricles. Valves close to stop the blood flowing backwards out of the heart. So the ventricles contract and force blood out of the heart, and the right ventricles forces deoxygenated blood to the lungs in the pulmonary artery. The left ventricles pumps oxygenated blood around the body in a big artery called the aorta. As the blood is pumped into the pulmonary artery and the aorta, valves close to make sure the blood flows in the right direction. The noise of the heartbeat you hear through a stethoscope is the sound of the valves of the heart closing to prevent the blood flowing backwards. The muscle wall of the left ventricle is noticeably thicker than the wall of the right ventricle. This allows the left ventricle to develop the pressure needed to force the blood through the arterial system all over your body. The blood leaving the right ventricle moves through the pulmonary arteries to your lungs, where high pressure would damage the delicate capillary network where gas exchange takes place. This diagram on the right-hand side is basically the structure of the heart. So the aorta carries oxygenated blood around the body, and the pulmonary artery takes deoxygenated blood to the lungs, whereas you've got the right atrium here and the left atrium here, and at the same time you've got the heart valves and the left ventricle on this side as well. All right, so muscular heart, the heart is muscular, the wall is thicker on the left as it has to pump blood around the body. All right, so do study this diagram and back it up with the theory that we have here. And in our next lesson, we'll go into these in much more detail. Good luck with the following questions. Take care.